Good morning, class. Today we are going to start reading from page number 135 of chapter number 10, Tables and Forms in HTML. And today's topic is adding a multiple line text field. In certain cases, it might be necessary to accept several lines of text from the user. In such a case, you need to use the text area tag. So if we want the user to enter several lines of text, then in that case we can use the text area tag. But if we want the user to enter a single line of text, then text box element is used. Text area tag must include a name attribute, and you must specify a number of rows and columns with the rows and calls attribute. So text area tag must include the name attribute, and number of rows and column can be specified with the help of rows and calls attributes. Finish this control with /text area closing tag. Then you need to close the text area tag where you start it with the /text area closing tag. Example is text area rows is equals to 10, calls is equals to 60, that means rows is 10 and columns is 60, and name is remarks. These are the attributes of text area tag. Name is used to specify the name, rows and calls is used to specify the total number of rows and columns. Here rows define the height of the text area and calls define the width of text area. Rows defines the height and calls defines the width of text area. The rows and columns just determine the size of the text area control. A user can type text as well as the area is as wide as the area is defined on the screen. So rows and column determine the size of the text area control. जो text area control आप use कर रहे हो उसका साइज जो है वो किसके साथ डिटरमाइन होता है? विद रोज एंड कॉज एट्रीब्यूट. एंड अ यूजर कैन टाइप द टेक्स्ट एज वाइड एज द एरिया इज डिफाइंड ऑन द स्क्रीन. जितना एरिया स्क्रीन के ऊपर डिफाइंड है उतना वाइड वो जो यूजर है अपना टेक्स्ट जो है वो टाइप कर सकता है. दिस इज द प्रोग्राम दैट इलस्ट्रेट्स द यूज ऑफ टेक्स्ट एरिया टैग. HTML tag is started, head tag, then inside head tag title tag is written using text area. Title tag is closed and then head tag is closed. Body tag is started. BG color is equals to light pink. Then form tag. Remarks is the label. Text area tag. Rows is 6 and calls is 50. Rows define the height of text area and calls define the width of text area tag. And name is remarks. Enter your remarks here. /text area. Form tag is closed, body tag is closed, and then HTML tag is closed. Remarks is the label, then text area is created, rows is 60 and calls is 50, and name is remarks. Enter your remarks here. So you can enter your remarks here and you can type the text as wide as the area that is defined on the screen. Text area tag is used if you want the user to enter multiple lines of text. Know the fact the call tag defines attribute values for one or more columns in a table. So call tag define the attribute values for one or more columns in a table. It specifies the visible width of text area. By default it is set to 20 if this tag is not being specified. Let's know more. The frame attribute of table element specifies which sides of the frame surrounding a table will be visible. So frame attribute specify that which sides of a frame, this is a frame, which sides of a frame surrounding the table will be visible. HTML frames are used to divide the web browser window into multiple sections where each section can be loaded separately. Frame attribute is used to control the display of the outside border. Let's know more. The field set element is used to group different form controls together. The field set element can contain an optional legend element to describe the different group. So field set element is used to group different form controls together, and this element contain an optional, that means you can use it or you cannot use it, it depends upon you, legend element that describe the different groups that are grouped together. It is used to group related elements in a form. It draws a box around the related elements. This element can be specifically useful in large forms where readability and ease of access can be improved with segmentation. Browsers will not likely render a frame around the grouped controls. Let's know more. An input element with type is equals to image creates an image button. So input element with type is equals to image, it will create an image button. An image button is similar in function to a submit button. So in place of the submit button, you can also create an image button with the help of type is equals to image. And for example, input type is equals to image, source image that will be used for the button. This is the source tick.jpg. Alt is equals to submit button and align is equals to right. So alignment will be of the image will be right side, and alternate text is submit button, and source is tick.jpg, and type is button. So button is created that consists of an image on it, that is why it is known as image button. Image buttons have the same effect as a submit button, only the difference is instead of a normal submit button, we can place an image of our choice. Attributes of image button are name that specifies the name of object through which it can be referenced. SRC specifies path of image. Border specifies border of image source. Alt specifies the alternate text. Application areas for forms. The application area for forms on www are forever evolving. Some typical areas where they can be seen today are as follows. First is educational sites for collecting names, addresses, telephone numbers, email addresses and other information required by the websites to register users for a service or event. So in educational sites, form is used for collecting names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses and other information that are required by the website in order to register the user for a service or for an events. Online purchasing of orders, gathering information for the purchase of an item. If you want to buy some product online, then that particular website will gather certain information for the purchase of an item with the help of a form. For example, if you want to purchase a book or any other item over the internet, you will be required to fill in your name, mailing address, mode of payment that you want to opt for and so on. These we are very familiar with, as nowadays many people are engaged in online shopping. While sitting at their home, they can make the payment, they can shop for a product. So while you are purchasing something over the internet, you would be required to fill in your name, mailing address, mode of payment that you want to opt for and so on. All this information will be collected with the help of forms. Online feedback forms. Collecting feedback about a website. So forms are used to collect feedback about a website. Most sites that offer a service encourage users to send their feedback. So most sites that provide a service also encourages the users to send their feedback to them. Apart from building customer relations, it is a source of information for change or improvement. These feedback form can build customer and dealer relationship stronger, as well as it is a source of information for change or improvement, as with the help of feedback company can understand whether their product is fine or the service any company is providing is up to the mark. If not, then they can make further changes to have their status maintainable in the market. Providing the interface for a chat session. For example, users are required to fill out a form if they want to participate in a chat session or a discussion group. So users are required to fill out a form. If user want to participate in a chat session or any discussion group, you need to fill out certain details: your name, your address, your gender, your email address, your pin code, your basic information that need to be collected by the website in order so that you can participate in a chat session using that particular website. Your forms can be used to provide the interface for a chat session, as with the help of form website can collect your information and add you in their chat session account, and you can make the chat with your friends and so on according to your need. Thank you.